Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito with Sprite. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 lime wedges, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place the mint and lime in a sturdy glass, then gently muddle them together. This releases the essential oils and juices, creating a flavorful base for your drink. Next, it's time to add the spirit. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass over the muddled mint, lime, and sugar. After adding the rum, fill the glass completely with ice cubes. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the sugar dissolves properly, preparing it for the next step. Now for the refreshing fizz. Top off your drink with about 4 to 5 ounces of chilled Sprite. Be sure to pour it slowly to avoid overfoaming. Give it a very gentle stir, just enough to incorporate the Sprite without losing too much of its carbonation. Finally, garnish your delicious mojito with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant mint sprig. Your homemade Sprite mojito is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the crisp, refreshing taste at its best. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of sugar or lime to perfectly suit your personal preference for sweetness or tartness. And speaking of refreshing, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated all day long.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.